Let's solve a nonlinear inequality algebraically. Consider the following inequality: x squared minus 4x plus 3 less or equal to 0. Step 1. Factor the quadratic expression. First, we factor the quadratic expression on the left-hand side. X squared minus 4x plus 3 equals x minus 1, x minus 3. So the inequality becomes x minus 1, x minus 3 is less or equal to 0. Step 2. Determine the critical points. The critical points are the values of x that make the expression equal to 0. These are the roots of the equation. X minus 1, x minus 3 equals 0. So the critical points are x equals 1 and x equals 3. Step 3. Test intervals. We need to test the intervals determined by the critical points to see where the inequality holds true. The intervals are: x is less than 1. 1 is less or equal to x and less or equal to 3. X is greater than 3. Step 4. Choose test points. Choose a test point from each interval and substitute it into the inequality to determine the sign of the expression in that interval. For x less than 1, choose x equals 0. 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 3 equals negative 1 times negative 3 equals 3, which is greater than 0. For 1 less or equal to x and less or equal to 3, choose x equals 2. 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 3 equals 1 times minus 1 equals negative 1, which is less than 0. For x is less than 3, choose x equals 4. 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 3 equals 3 times 1 equals 3, which is greater than 0. Step 5. Determine the solution. The inequality x minus 1, x minus 3 is less or equal to 0 holds true in the interval where the expression is less than or equal to 0. From the test points, we see that this occurs in the interval. 1 is less or equal to x and less or equal to 3. Conclusion. The solution to the inequality x squared minus 4x plus 3 is less or equal to 0 is,
which can be represented in a number line like this.
This means that the values of x that satisfy the inequality are all the real numbers between 1 and 3, inclusive.